Everyone, welcome back to another heavy bag training video. For this combination, we're going to start by throwing our jab, our rear push kick or teep kick, our cross, and our lead round kick. One more time, jab, rear push kick, cross, lead round kick. Ready? 2 minutes, go. Nice straight jab. Bring the knee up for the push kick. Bring it right back to your fight stance. Throw that cross. Lead round kick. I'm getting a little switch here. Once I land, I'm pivoting my hips to come back with that lead leg in front. So I'm back in my fight stance. Okay? Jab. Rear side push kick. Cross. Round kick. And you can just flow through the combo, breaking up the rhythm on the strikes. They don't have to go right away together. Whatever rhythm you want to throw them at, okay? One more. Jab, rear push kick, cross, lead round kick, back in your fight stance. Time. For our next combination, we're going to throw jab, cross, lead hook, and our rear side round kick. One more time. Your jab, your cross, your lead hook, and the rear side round kick. Ready? Let's go. 2 minutes. You want to focus on bringing your kick back to your fight stance. Some people will kick more with the straight leg, swinging like a bat. Sometimes you can chamber and snap through. It's just going to be preference, okay? Keep going. Your jab, your right cross, your left hook, right round kick. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw double jab, followed by the rear side uppercut, into a lead hook, into a rear round kick. One more time. Double jab, uppercut hook, rear round kick. Ready? Let's go. 2 minutes. Double jab, uppercut hook, round kick. Double jab, uppercut hook, round kick. Double jab, rear uppercut, lead hook, rear round kick. Sometimes I'll visualize, okay, is this to the chin? Is this to the body, right? So play with your targets, okay? But keep the combo the same. 2 jabs, uppercut, hook. Ush. 20 seconds. Double jab. Uppercut, hook, round kick. Up. One more. For this combination, we're going to throw a double jab followed by a rear round kick. Bring it back to your fight stance into a lead teep kick, into a straight right cross. Again, double jab, rear side round kick, lead side teep kick, into a cross. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Double jab, rear side round kick, lead teep kick, keeping them away. And once they come back into that distance, you'll notice the bag is swinging back, right? That's my go for my cross, okay? When someone's coming into your space, that's when you can attack, unless you're chasing them down and you want to go towards them, okay? Ready? Go. Double jab. I like to get that side step, the push kick, and then the cross. Double jab, round kick, lead teep kick, cross. Double jab, round kick, teep kick, cross. Double jab, round kick, lead side teep kick, cross. Double jab, round kick, boom. Lead side push kick, cross. Keep going. Up. 2 jabs. Side step if you want. Rear side round kick. Lead side push kick. Nice powerful cross. Keep going. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, cross, your lead knee, or switch knee, drop into this rear elbow, okay? One more time. Jab, cross, switch knee, rear elbow. Simple, but effective. We're going from long range to close range. Ready? 2 minutes. Let's go. You could clinch if you want for the knee. Grab, drive the knee, fall into it, elbow. It's all your choice. If you don't want to clinch, just keep that guard up. Throw the elbow. You'll notice I'm kind of going from this boxing guard where my hands are here to a high guard once I get close. Okay? Boom. One more. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, rear side uppercut into a lead hook, into a rear side round kick. When the round kick comes back, we're going to use this momentum to also take us back to like a diagonal step. From here, we're going to go into a Superman punch, driving off of this lead leg. One more time. Jab, uppercut, hook, kick. Come on back, almost like a diagonal step. Just getting out of the way, clearing some distance. Knee up, push off into a Superman punch. A little more fun, keeping it playful. Ready? Let's go. Boom. So what I'm doing, I'm kind of posting, bringing my right leg up, pushing off my left, and jumping, shooting this leg back. Okay, covering some distance. Keep going. Jab, uppercut, hook, round kick, side step. Up, 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 up. Almost done. One more. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab cross, inside leg kick, into a lead teep kick or push kick. We're going to fake that. And now we're going to dip, turn our body, dip our shoulders, spin for that elbow. Keeping it a little more playful, tricky, creative. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, drop into that spinning elbow. Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, spin, elbow. Again. Jab cross, round kick, push kick, fake it, spin, elbow. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, drop, elbow. Boom. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, elbow. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, elbow. You might have more flexibility to dip and go with that downward up angle, or you can just come across horizontally, okay? Again, jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, elbow. Jab cross, inside leg kick, push kick, fake it, spin, elbow,